Imagine waking up one morning to discover that your job no longer exists. Not because the company failed, not because the economy collapsed, but because an artificial intelligence system can do your work faster,
cheaper, and 24 hours a day. This may sound like science fiction, but around the world, it is already beginning to happen. Artificial intelligence is changing the workplace at a speed never seen before. AI can write reports, analyze massive amounts of data, design graphics, generate software code, answer customer questions, and even create realistic videos. Businesses are adopting AI because
For many companies, AI is becoming an essential part of everyday operations because it increases productivity and reduces costs. Many traditional jobs are also changing. Factory workers now work alongside intelligent robots. Banks use AI to detect fraud.
hospitals rely on AI to help doctors identify diseases earlier. Law firms use AI to review thousands of legal documents in minutes. Even filmmakers, musicians, and artists are experimenting with AI-powered creative tools. Experts believe that millions of jobs will evolve over the next decade. However, history shows that every major technological revolution has also created When computers became common, people feared the end of employment. Instead, millions of new careers appeared in software development, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and cloud computing. Artificial intelligence
Follow a similar path. The jobs of tomorrow could include AI engineers, robot trainers, AI ethicists, and careers that prompt designers, digital safety specialists, and careers that do not even exist today. The biggest challenge is adaptation. People who continue learning new skills and embrace technology will likely have more opportunities in the future.
those who ignore technological change may find it increasingly difficult to compete.
Governments, universities, and businesses are investing heavily in AI education because they understand that preparing people for the future is just as important as building the technology itself. But one question remains: can AI ever completely replace human creativity, empathy, leadership, and imagination?
Many experts believe the answer is no. Artificial intelligence can process information,
But humans still bring emotion, ethics, curiosity, and original thinking, qualities that machines cannot truly experience. Perhaps the future isn't about humans versus AI. Perhaps it's about humans working together with AI to solve problems that neither could solve alone. The future of work is already,
and every one of us will play a role in shaping it. The question is not whether AI will change your career. The real question is, are you ready for the future?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for NextGenUSA. Join us as we explore the biggest stories